Hello, welcome to this video that is going to explain to you how to use Excel to calculate the descriptive statistics for your assignment. You can also use this video to explain how to use Excel to calculate descriptive statistics for you elsewhere if you need to. What you should see on your screen in front of you is a mocked up results table showing the results of a study where the ability of students to remember short words was compared with their ability to remember long words, the number of words being out of a maximum of 10. So you can see in each group we have participants A through J and have been tested on how many short words they've recalled and how many long words they've recalled. I've also set up below rows in my results table for mean, median, mode, range and standard deviation. These are the descriptive statistics required for your assignment, so I suggest you do the same when you use Excel. So to work out, or tell Excel to work out, your mean, it just requires you to use a formula to do the data for you. So you highlight the box that you would like to use for your mean, which will be this one here, B12. In that box, you type the word equals, then the word average, open a bracket, then click and drag the entire column down, followed by clicking the tick. You can also press enter instead of clicking the tick. That gives you the mean of 7.6. You can then, by hovering over the bottom right hand corner of the box, drag to the next column. What that will do is transpose the formula across. If you were to just copy and paste, it would only still show you the results of column B, and you need to edit the entire thing. Clicking and dragging that little plus sign corrects it so that you can see now the formula has changed from C2 to C11 as opposed to B2 and B11. All we need to do now is work our way down this column using different codes, different formulae. These are available from the formulas tab at the top of the screen as well. You can search for a function by using the insert function box, but I'm just going to type them in. These are also written in your booklet for the assignment. So for median, we're going to click here again. We're going to type equals median, open brackets, drag the column, press enter and drag the little plus sign across. For mode, it's a little bit more complicated. We need to use mode.sngl. If you double click, it will do the same thing. And you can drag down and press enter and drag across. For range, it's a little bit different in that there is a code that you need to type into this box rather than just use one bit of maths for range. I am going to do it now. So we type equals max, open a bracket, drag it down, close that bracket, minus min, open the bracket, drag it down, close the bracket. That gives us then in that box the biggest number from that range minus the smallest number from that range, which is a range. Press enter and it will give us the range of 4, which we can double check, 10 minus 6 is 4. Drag that over and it will give you that. We then have the final row, which is our standard deviation row. In there we type STDEV.S, which is standard deviation based on a sample. Double click, click and drag, press enter, drag it over. Now, to make this a little bit more fancy, you could right click these two boxes, select format cells, number, and change the decimal places to 2. You don't have to for your assignment, but you can do. By incredible coincidence, we've got exactly the same standard deviation. That wasn't on purpose. Right, last thing I'm going to do is show you how to calculate a bar chart for your data. To do this is really simple. You just highlight the title rows. Those will be your labels for your x-axis. The means column 7.6 and 3.4. On the Insert tab at the top, insert column or bar chart, hover over, and it will automatically generate a bar chart for you. You should then click the plus sign, select Axis Titles, make sure that axes, axis titles, chart title, and grid lines are included. You don't need anything else. You can then double click your axis title to edit them. So let's in this one put length of word condition. On this y-axis, we're going to title it mean number of words recalled. And a graph title, we're going to give it a chart to show the mean number of short or long words recalled. You can mess around with it a little bit if you want to by changing the colours, but you don't really need to. Copy and paste that into your Word document along with this entire results table here, and that will complete your results section in your assignment. Hope this video has been informative and simple to explain. All of the codes for the spreadsheet are written in your assignment 3 booklet, along with brief instructions of how to calculate or construct a chart as well. Enjoy!